Mixing cinnamon and cloves can eliminate poor circulation. Imagine you're sitting in your favorite chair, trying to relax after a long day. But as you stretch out your legs, you notice something unsettling. Your feet feel ice cold, almost numb. No matter how many layers of socks you wear, the discomfort lingers, making it hard to rest peacefully. Poor circulation isn't just an annoyance, it can seriously impact your daily life and overall health. You're not alone. Studies show that nearly 1 in 3 adults experiences issues with circulation, often leading to symptoms like cold hands and feet, tingling, and even muscle cramps. According to the American Heart Association, poor blood flow can increase the risk of serious conditions, including heart disease and neuropathy. But what if a simple kitchen remedy could make all the difference? That's why in today's video, we're revealing a powerful natural combination: cinnamon and cloves. These two incredible spices work together to boost circulation, warm up your extremities, and support overall heart health. And the best part? They're easy to add to your daily routine. Let's get started. Have you ever tried cinnamon and cloves for circulation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 1. The dangers of poor circulation. Did you know that your circulatory system functions like a complex transportation network, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body? When this traffic becomes congested, it doesn't just affect one part of your body, the entire system suffers. The first warning signs may be subtle, but if ignored, poor circulation can lead to serious health problems. One of the most noticeable symptoms is cold hands and feet, even when the surrounding temperature is warm. This occurs because insufficient blood flow prevents your body from maintaining a stable temperature. Numbness and muscle cramps are also alarming signs. Many people experience sudden stiffness or involuntary muscle contractions at night, disrupting their sleep. Over time, this can lead to chronic sleep disturbances, negatively impacting productivity and overall quality of life. Beyond discomfort, poor circulation can leave you feeling persistently fatigued and drained, even if you haven't engaged in strenuous activity. The reason? Your organs aren't receiving enough oxygen and nutrients to function efficiently. According to a study published in the American Journal of Physiology, impaired blood circulation can reduce metabolic efficiency by up to 30%, making the body sluggish, reducing concentration, and increasing susceptibility to exhaustion. Another concerning effect of poor circulation is slow wound healing. When blood flow is restricted, skin cells don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to regenerate quickly. This is particularly dangerous for individuals with diabetes or varicose veins, as their risk of infection is significantly higher than in those with healthy circulation. Aesthetically, poor circulation can have visible consequences. The skin may appear pale and lifeless due to reduced blood supply to the surface. According to a study in the Journal of Dermatological Science, oxygen deprivation in the bloodstream can slow collagen production by up to 25%, accelerating the formation of wrinkles and sagging skin. This explains why individuals with good circulation often have a naturally radiant complexion and firmer skin compared to those with circulation issues. Even more concerning, if this condition persists without intervention, it can lead to severe health complications. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the cardiovascular system has to work harder to pump blood, increasing the risk of high blood pressure, varicose veins, and even stroke. A study published in the Circulation Journal revealed that individuals with poor circulation have a 40% higher risk of developing cardiovascular diseases compared to those with optimal blood flow. But there's no need to panic. There is a natural and simple way to improve circulation, and you can start today. The secret lies right in your kitchen, in the warm and inviting aroma of some familiar ingredients. Have you ever felt like you ate a lot of nutritious food but still felt tired and lethargic? This could be a sign that your liver, the most important cleansing organ in the body, is being damaged. With special milk thistle extract, the products we have experienced are summarized by experts, not only help detoxify the liver but also reduce fat and improve the digestive system effectively. FDA safety certification, guaranteed results after 55 days, otherwise, 100% refund. Special offer: when purchasing through our link, you will receive one of 6 exclusive gifts for customers who buy a combo 6 bottles or more. The commission we have received will be used to give you the gift in the description section. Click on the description below the video to order today and receive attractive gifts. 2. Cinnamon, the warrior for better circulation. Now that you understand the dangers of poor circulation, you're probably looking for a natural and effective way to improve it. The good news is that the solution might already be in your kitchen, an aromatic and warming spice that has been used for centuries: cinnamon. Cinnamon has long been recognized in traditional medicine for its ability to naturally dilate blood vessels. According to a study published in the Journal of Hypertension, the compound cinnamaldehyde found in cinnamon helps relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing strain on the heart. When blood vessels expand, blood can flow more freely, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered efficiently to organs and tissues. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of cardiovascular diseases or high blood pressure. In addition to its vasodilating properties, cinnamon plays a crucial role in preventing blood clots, which are a leading cause of strokes and heart attacks. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, indicates that cinnamon has mild anticoagulant properties, helping to prevent excessive platelet aggregation in blood vessels. This is especially useful for individuals with a sedentary lifestyle or those who sit for extended periods, as they are more prone to circulatory issues. Furthermore, cinnamon is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a major contributor to blood vessel constriction and circulatory problems. A study from the Journal of Medicinal Food reveals that cinnamon contains polyphenol that help reduce inflammation in blood vessel linings, making them more flexible and promoting better blood flow. Beyond its direct benefits for the circulatory system, cinnamon also plays an essential role in blood sugar regulation. According to research from Harvard Medical School, regular cinnamon consumption can lower fasting blood sugar levels by 10% to 29%, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Since high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and lead to atherosclerosis, keeping glucose levels stable is vital for maintaining a healthy circulatory system. To incorporate cinnamon into your daily routine, try adding a pinch of cinnamon powder to your morning coffee or tea to stimulate circulation and boost energy levels. Mixing cinnamon with lemon and honey in a warm tea enhances the absorption of its antioxidants and promotes better blood flow. Additionally, replacing sugar with cinnamon in your diet helps prevent blood sugar spikes while supporting heart health. While cinnamon offers incredible benefits, it isn't the only powerhouse spice for circulation. There's another small yet mighty ingredient that deserves your attention. 3. Cloves, the champion of cardiovascular health. If cinnamon is a warrior for circulation, then cloves are the ultimate champion when it comes to protecting heart health. This small but powerful spice contains a key compound known as eugenol, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood flow. Eugenol is a potent antioxidant that helps lower blood pressure and improve circulation. A study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology found that eugenol relaxes blood vessels, reducing stress on the heart and enhancing oxygen delivery to the organs. Additionally, it prevents plaque buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of blockages that could lead to heart disease or strokes. Beyond its circulation-enhancing properties, cloves also have a significant impact on cholesterol levels. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that regular clove consumption can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, by 20% while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, by up to 15%. Maintaining this balance is essential for protecting arteries and ensuring smooth blood flow. Cloves also work wonders for individuals who frequently experience cold hands and feet. Poor circulation often leads to numbness and tingling sensations in the extremities, but a study published in Phytotherapy Research confirms that compounds in cloves can expand capillaries and enhance blood flow to fingers and toes. This makes cloves an excellent natural remedy for those suffering from circulation-related discomfort. To maximize the benefits of cloves, try chewing on a whole clove in the morning. It not only stimulates circulation but also provides antibacterial benefits that support oral health. Another effective method is to infuse cloves in olive oil and massage the mixture onto sore muscles or joints to relieve pain and improve blood flow. If you enjoy cooking, adding a small amount of cloves to stews or sauces enhances their flavor while delivering powerful cardiovascular benefits. When combined, cinnamon and cloves create the ultimate natural remedy for poor circulation. But how can you blend these two powerhouse spices into a delicious and effective drink? Let's explore a simple yet highly beneficial recipe that you can make at home. 4. The ultimate Super TEA recipe for improving blood circulation. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of cinnamon and cloves for circulation, it's time to turn them into a delicious, easy-to-make tea. Instead of using them separately, combining these two spices creates a powerful beverage that enhances blood flow, reduces inflammation, and supports overall cardiovascular health. This simple yet effective recipe can easily become a part of your daily routine. Ingredients: a perfect cup of tea starts with 1 cinnamon stick, or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3 to 5 dried cloves, or 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. To enhance its effects, you can add 1 slice of fresh ginger, which is scientifically proven to stimulate circulation and reduce inflammation. Additionally, 1 cup of boiling water, 250 milliliters, forms the base of this drink. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider adding raw honey, which not only enhances flavor but also provides antibacterial properties. Finally, a slice of fresh lemon can maximize nutrient absorption and support natural detoxification. Instructions: start by boiling water, then add the cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Once the tea is fragrant, turn off the heat and let it cool for 3 to 5 minutes before straining out the solids. For a touch of natural sweetness, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey and enjoy while warm. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day, especially in the morning to kickstart circulation or in the evening for relaxation. Scientific benefits of cinnamon clove tea: beyond its delicious taste, this tea offers impressive health benefits. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that cinnamon can reduce vascular resistance by up to 15%, easing pressure on the heart and enhancing circulation. Meanwhile, research from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights that eugenol in cloves helps lower bad cholesterol accumulation and keeps blood vessels flexible, reducing the risk of blockages. This tea is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. According to the Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity (ORAC) scale, both cinnamon and cloves rank among the top 10 antioxidant-rich foods globally, protecting cells from oxidative stress and premature aging. Additionally, drinking cinnamon clove tea may aid in weight management. A study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that individuals who consume cinnamon tea regularly experience a 10 to 15% increase in metabolic rate, making it easier to burn calories efficiently. Thanks to its strong antibacterial properties, this tea also supports digestion, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption. However, while incorporating cinnamon clove tea into your diet is highly beneficial, achieving optimal circulation requires more than just food. Let's explore simple yet powerful lifestyle habits that can further enhance your blood flow naturally. 5. Important notes: who should avoid cinnamon and cloves? While cinnamon and cloves offer remarkable benefits for circulation, not everyone should consume them freely. Some individuals may experience adverse reactions if taken in excess or in combination with certain medical conditions. Before incorporating these spices into your daily diet, it's crucial to understand if they are suitable for your body. People taking blood thinners: both cinnamon and cloves contain compounds that naturally thin the blood. While this can improve circulation, combining them with blood-thinning medications may pose serious risks. According to Mayo Clinic, excessive consumption of natural blood thinners can lead to prolonged bleeding, unexplained bruising, and slow wound healing. A study published in the Journal of Thrombosis and Hemostasis also warns that high doses of cinnamon and cloves can increase the risk of internal bleeding when taken alongside anticoagulant drugs. Individuals with low blood pressure: studies indicate that cinnamon and cloves can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, allowing for better circulation. However, for individuals with already low blood pressure, this effect can lead to dizziness, lightheadedness, fatigue, or even fainting. Research in the American Journal of Hypertension suggests that those prone to hypotension should moderate their intake of these spices. People with liver disease or stomach ulcers: eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has potent anti-inflammatory properties but can negatively impact the stomach and liver if overconsumed. According to NCBI, excessive intake of eugenol may cause nausea, stomach pain, indigestion, and increased risk of ulcers. Another study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology warns that high doses of cloves may contribute to acute liver damage. Hey friends! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us keep bringing you valuable content. In short, if you overlook this simple but powerful remedy, you're putting your health at serious risk. Poor circulation isn't just about cold hands and feet, it can lead to constant fatigue, varicose veins, and even life-threatening conditions like heart disease or stroke. The best part? The solutions in this video are easy to follow and completely natural. So now, you have two choices: start making changes today or risk a future where even doctors might not be able to help you. While you wait for the next video, check out the 4 recommendations on your screen. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next one.